how to register in booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can register in booking.com or log into your booking.com account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to register on booking.com, you can either use the booking.com app, which is available for both App Store and Play Store, or you can simply open your browser and go to booking.com instead. Once you're on this website, you will see two options from the top right, to register or to sign in. If you don't have an account to register it, we'll just click the register option here. As we click the register option, you can simply continue with the email address, hit the continue with email option, then choose your password. Alternatively, you can actually create an account using your Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID. Just in case you already do have an account, come back to the booking.com page, click the sign in option from the top right hand side instead. After that, you can simply enter your email address, then click on continue with email, enter your password and you'll be signed in. Or again, this time also alternatively, you can sign in using your Facebook, Google or Apple ID. In my case, I have my Google account linked, so I'll just click the Google option here and then I'll be successfully signed in to my booking.com account. This way you'll be able to register as well as also log into booking.com. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.